Hi everyone, I'm Kathy. Welcome to the unpacking video of Mini Pro. Today I will bring you RGBlink's new generation of mini live streaming switcher Mini Pro. Now at my side is our new product Mini Pro. We can see its outer packaging is very exquisite, which is composed of plastic film and packaging box. Next, let's take a look at the internal equipment and accessories. Now we took out everything in the box. Let's see them in turn. First, here is Mini Pro, then is a fold out. Finally, we can see some accessories which is including Type-C power hand, Type-C power cord, USB 3.0 cable. Next, let's see the appearance and interface of the Mini Pro. Now let's see the interface of Mini Pro. For the back panel from right to left are ROG power switch, Type-C power interface, HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs, used for signal input. The last is HDMI output interface, used to connect back-end display devices. On side panel, there are a 3.5mm audio input interface, supporting mic and line audio input. A 3.5mm audio output interface can be used for monitoring. A network port control interface. A USB 3.0 streaming interface is used for computer or mobile phone to do live streaming. The last one is a USB 2.0 recording interface, can be connected to a USB flash disk or hard disk. We can see the Mini Pro panel. On the upper edge of the panel, left side is RGBlink logo, right side is Mini Pro logo. Looking down from RGBlink logo, first we can see is a pair of up and down buttons. Next is S button, used to perform some shortcut operations. In the middle is a 2-inch TFT touchscreen, which supports sliding, tapping, and quick setting operations on the screen. Next is M button, click to enter the main menu interface. After that, we can see a 5 directions joystick, used for PTZ control. What you see below are 4 big silicon buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4 corresponds to the 4 inputs 1-to-1. The T-bar in the middle is used for smooth switching between banks or signals. The above is all the contents of the Mini Pro out of the box. Today, my sharing ends here. Thank you, I'm Kathy. Looking forward to seeing you next time.